Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to replace a button. You will need 1.5 meters of thread, a needle, a scissors, a pencil, and of course your button. As shown in the video here, just double your thread, and then with the thread double you're going to thread it through your needle. Just don't laugh at me, I've had a bit of struggle there because I wear glasses so I don't see well. So you pull that through, and then you end up with 4 pieces of thread. Then you're going to tie all the ends together. Make sure you've got them like that. There you go, 4 pieces. Tie it together and you're all ready. So after you've watched this and you've learned to replace a button, you don't need to throw a garment away now when a button falls off. You know how to replace it and you can wear it and wear it again. There you go, you've knotted your thread and you're all ready to go. So now you're going to get your pencil and you're going to get your garment, and if you just place it down like you see me doing there, there's where your button's fallen from. So you're going to put that down flat and you're going to button the button above and the one below, and we're going to use our pencil and we're just going to make a mark so we can see where to replace our button. So like you see there, then you're going to take your pencil and you're just going to make your mark. Don't make your dot as big as mine. In the end you'll see that my dot's too big, so it show afterwards, but it will wash out. Undo the lower button and there you go, you can see where you've got your mark. You place your button on top of your marking and place your 2 little buttonholes in the same direction as your other buttons. Once you've held that securely, you're going to take your needle, your threaded needle, and you're going to push it from underneath. Once you start pushing your needle through, you will see it, and you just guide it through the hole. So there you go, it's through the first hole, and you're going to push it back on itself through the second hole. So you just do that and pull gently through. See, there you go, you've started to get your button back on. So you're going to repeat that about 4 times. So from underneath again, you're going to push your needle up through the first hole and reverse it through the second hole again. So we'll do that 4 times. And once you do that, your button will be securely in place. As you watch this, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And when you try this, come back and let me know how you get on as well. It's good for feedback, so I don't mind if you come back and let me know how you get on. Also, if you don't have a needle and thread, you can get some to buy online. Hobby and Craft sells thread and needle. The markets or John Lewis, places like that will sell. So there you go, I think this is our last go. So you're threading your needle through and you go back on itself and you're going to pull your needle through again. Right, so now we're going to knot our thread. We're going to make a sort of a circle with our needle. If you look, you see. So you make sort of circle and you're going to push your thread just through the thread that you've already used, and you tug it twice. You're going to do again just a circle. Push your needle through the thread that's underneath. There you go. Here you go. So now you've replaced your button. You've done well. Just make sure you cut your thread from underneath. There you go, you've cut it. Put your needle down and there you go, your button's all replaced, nice and ready to be worn. If you button it, they all should be in place. So if you just button it and make sure they're level, and you're all ready. Underneath should be nice and smooth as well. I'll show you that in a little while. If you don't get underneath smooth, don't beat yourself up. Next time you'll get it right. So there you go, you've replaced your button. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share, and come back and give me some feedback as well. Thanks for joining. Bye.